We got the POGI's cleaning wipes right here. These are the grooming wipes. You got them in green or blue. We got the green one here. These are the green tea leaf scent. These are great, earth-friendly, hypoallergenic, and bamboo-based. This thing is awesome. They deodorize and clean really well. Let me show you guys how tough these things are. Like there they are. This is the size of the sheet. You can see the size of the sheet is good size, right? Again, good for cleaning, good for wiping, and it deodorizes. So that's the palm of my hand. That's the size of the sheet right there. It's tough sheet right here. You pull on it, and it's very, very tough. It's made of bamboo material, so super, super tough. Like watch. Look how tough this is. I'll step on it right here, and I'll pull on it. See, very tough, and they're great wipes. It does tear, but yeah, you have to use a lot of force for it to tear. Again, these deodorize and they clean really well. They're free from alcohol, free from chlorine, free from chemicals, free from parabens. Yeah, these are the benefits right here. Eliminate odors, remove dirt, shine coats, brings happiness. Yo, there we go. The POGI's Pet Supply grooming wipes in green tea leaf scent. Oh yeah, good stuff right there. Your dog will be happy. There we go. Our dog loves this. It's good stuff.